Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie and welcome. I apologize if I sound a little bit funny, but we are still getting over whatever bug has now hit our home. So I'm sorry about that. But today I wanted to share with you how to make another type of holiday cookie. This is kind of like an orange sugar cookie, and we make it with Jell-O, and we put chocolate on the middle to kind of stick them together, and it kind of looks like there's a little window in the cookie, if you will. They're really easy, a little bit more of like step by step by step. What I mean by that is it seems like it's hard, but it's just several steps, but the steps are quite easy. I grew up making these cookies, and just recently my mom and I were going over her recipe book, like that she writes all her recipes in, that she's been making through the years, and we found it and we were like, we're making this for the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. So I wanted to share it with you. Perfect time for the holidays, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. Bye.
Feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes, I'm gonna